everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to uninstall a program on Windows 10. So let's get started. First of all, what you want to do is you want to search in your Windows search bar for Control Panel, and you're brought up with this page. If you haven't, then you're probably on this or this, so just click View by Category and it'll come up as this. After that, you want to click Programs and then Programs and Features. And as you can see, you can view all the programs here. Now I want to uninstall OBS Studio, so I right click it, I click uninstall/change, I click yes on the pop-up. It'll be different like how this comes up, so you just go to the uninstall setup, uninstall, close, and there we go, it's gone. So yeah, that's all for this day's video. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.